What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we are going to be looking at the all-new charger that I just got in, the smallest wireless charger that I have ever seen. This is the Moon wireless charger. Let's check it out. The Moon wireless charger is probably the smallest fast charging wireless charger that I have ever seen. Now this one comes in black. They have multiple colors. You can go check them out. But it actually charges in up to a 3mm case, has a non-slip surface, does not overheat, has a 3-foot cable with it, has foreign object detection, and it is waterproof. So it's a good little investment that you can check out. Like I said, I'm going to leave that link below. But for right now, I already have one of these and it is unboxed. This is the gray variant. Now it comes with this cord. Cord is already attached and it has a USB on the end of it right there. Fast charging, 5, 7.5, and up to 10 watts fast charging. Comes with this power brick right out of the box. To get fast charging, you're going to have to use this power brick. But for this demonstration, I want to show you this because I found that it's very, very convenient with the iPad. So your iPad is going to basically be everywhere that you are. You're going to take your iPad and you may not have a wall adapter. With your iPad and with the integration of the new iPad OS that's going to be coming out soon, everybody is probably going to have some type of USB hub with them at all times. They're very convenient. They're very easy. Plug that in. You're going to get power to this USB hub. Okay, so stay with me, guys. Next, we're going to take this USB. We're going to plug this in just like that. Now, you're taking this on the go. It's in your bag. It's very small, very compact, very portable. I want you to pay attention to what is about to happen. I got my phone here. This is my Samsung that I'm using. I'm just going to lay it right there and boom, we get charging. So I'm actually charging this from my iPad through the hub, wirelessly charging my phone. So say you're traveling, you don't have a power supply nearby, but you do have your iPad and you have your hub. You take this out of your bag, lay your phone down, and you get a charge. Now, like I said, you're only going to get a fast charge while using this brick plugged into the wall. But this company, Moon, has made this charger so small, so compact, so convenient that you're going to be able to get this wireless charge anywhere you go. So like I mentioned, wireless charging from your iPad. I'm going to be sure that I drop a link below to this device because I think it's one worth checking out. The Moon 10-watt wireless charger. It does fast Qi charging. What more can you say? It comes with the charger. It comes with the brick. You get everything that you need in one smooth package. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.